Today I'll be taking you through this easy to perform AI airdrop on Solana called Nexy AI. I know that some of us must have heard of it, some of us must have joined, and I also know that some of us here have not heard of this airdrop, and that's why I decided to bring it up here so that if you're here to join, you can quickly join. It is very easy to perform. This is how my dashboard looks like. You can see that at the moment I have Nexy points of about 5,142.5 Nexy points. But how do you arrive at having your dashboard look like this? I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step process. First of all, let's go to my Facebook page so you can see it very well. It is described here as the next level DeFi on Solana, driven by MCP intelligence. So how do you join this airdrop? It is very simple. I'm going to leave the step-by-step guide on how to join this airdrop in the description of the video so that it can be easier for you to join. The first thing you're going to do is click on this link here. When you click on the link, you have to log in with your X account or your Twitter account. After that, you perform some tasks. There are some of the tasks as you can see here, like follow Nexy on X so you can have 100 points, follow MeliJR on X, and every other task here. Once you are done performing all these tasks, you are required to also join their Telegram group. And apart from that, you have some daily tasks you're supposed to perform in order to keep racking up points and increasing your points. It's also important you know that this airdrop is 100% free, no cost to join. So if you farm early, you farm smart. Thank you. Let's go back to my dashboard. This is how it looks like. As you can see, at the moment I've been able to perform some of these tasks. We call it social tasks, as you can see here. I've been able to follow. You can see that all of them has been ticked good, but it's also important that you keep scrolling down to see if you are here to perform any tasks here. There is also an option, like I said, to join the Telegram group, to add NexyAI to your X name and to add NexyAI to your Telegram name in order to rack up 150 points each. When you're done performing these social tasks, you are required to also scroll down to perform some daily tasks. So every day you are required to log into your NexyAI account to perform some of these daily tasks here and accumulate more points. You can see that I've been able to perform some of the daily tasks, like commenting on one of their tweets, like liking one of their tweets and all that. But there are still other tasks that I'm here to perform. All these ones has been ticked good because I've been able to perform the tasks. I have not been able to perform all these tasks. The moment I perform the tasks, you're going to see it tick good like this. You like this tweet from Nexy AI. So by the time you click on this, it will take you to your X account. So what I'm going to do is that I'll simply click on claim and see what comes up here. Task claimed fail. There are some times that when you click on claim, it will fail. What you need to do is to come back and click on claim again, and before you know it, you'll be able to claim your points. Let's also check another one here. Like this tweet from Nexy AI, and I'll be able to have 100 points. I'm going to click on it, so it will take me to my X account. So here we are. I'm waiting for the like button to pop up, so I will just click on it. Okay, here we have it. I will now click on like, and I'll go back to Nexy AI. You can see the claim button. I'll click on claim. Let's see if it's going to fail. It still failed. I'll still come back later to claim the points. Don't feel bothered when you see it like this. By the time you come back, maybe later on, you'll be able to claim the points. Okay, we still have some referral tags. If you're able to invite one of your friends, you'll be able to claim 50 points. I've been able to invite one person and I've claimed the 50 points. You can see it's still good. If you are able to invite 3 friends, you claim 75 points. I've also been able to invite 3 friends and I've been able to claim those points. Then by the time you scroll down, you see how you'll be able to earn more points by inviting more friends. If you invite 5 friends, you claim 150 points. 10 friends, 350 points. 50 friends, 600 points. 100 friends, 1,200 points. And 1,000 friends, you claim 1,500 points. So this is typically what you're going to be doing here, the task you're supposed to be performing on this project. And then up here you see where you are required to copy out your referral link. Once you copy out this referral link, you'll be able to share to your friends for them to join with your link, and by the time they join, you'll be able to claim your points on this dashboard. We can also take a look at the leaderboard. Some people have actually gone far, even though it's a new project. Some people know how to perform this magic, especially people that have so many followers and are able to get a lot of referrals. The highest on the dashboard is 1.94 million, which to me is still not much. Unlike some projects that you see people that have been able to accumulate up to 50 million points while you're still at 5,000, 4,000. So this is fair enough, and through hard work and much effort, we'll get there. At least before the end of the project, we'll know how many points we'll be able to gather. So this is what we have here. These are the people, the top 3 people on the leaderboard: 1.94 million, 1.48 million, and 1.36 million. You can also click on this referral history here to see your referral history, to know the number of people you have referred, and to know when new people have been able to join you through your referral link. So that's for this project. I will seriously encourage you to join, and like I said, I'll be leaving this link, every necessary link, in the description of the video, and the step-by-step process I'll also leave it in the description of the video, so you'll be able to follow it up and register or join, as the case may be, and start accumulating your points before their CGE. I wish you the best of luck, and then see you again in my next video. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like this video, and share this video so that more people get to see it. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.